Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to do informatics. This video is being done on by request by Samira, and I thank everyone for uh, watching my videos so long and subscribing me. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe right now. And let's move on to the concept. Today our topic is hardware concepts and software concepts. In this video I'm going to tell about hardware concepts. You all know how important computer has been so far for everyone, right? If I ask you about hardwares of computer, you will tend to reply me as it is keyboard, desktop, and mouse, etc. But there is a lot more beyond this. Hardware of computer can be classified into two main types: output devices, input devices. By the name itself, you are able to understand input means the devices which seek input from the user are called input devices. The output devices are those devices which show you output, right? Like desktop, you'll be able to see output on the screen. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, etc. And even webcam seem to be input device. There are so many devices like scanner, printer, mouse, so many are there. I'll go one by one in detail. So so this is a flow chart of input and output devices. Keyboard, like many of us use, right? Keyboard, you know what is keyboard, you know what is mouse, and these are other output. I'm sorry, input devices. Yeah, keyboard has many number of keys, right? That is number keys, direction keys, function keys, and other keys. Other keys include, okay, I'll tell you the classification in my next video. Keyboard, yeah, fine, okay. Let's first concentrate on input devices. Keyboard has number keys which consist of all numbers, and direction keys which consist of all direction: up arrow, down arrow, left side arrow, right side arrow. Function keys consist of F1 to F2. There are total 12 function keys. These function keys have special tasks, and these tasks may change from program to program. There are several other non-printable keys for various different purposes, like example caps lock, control, tab, pause, delete, backspace, spacebar, shift, enter, etc. And these other keys are used for special purposes. And when you move on to the mouse, you'll be having left button, right button, and a wheel. Right? You all know about that. And light pen, it is a light sensitive thing which allow you to draw pictures and select menu options onto that. Light pen you must be knowing, and it is mostly used on tablets. So touch screen is your phone, and graphic tablets is something this device is used to enter data during using stylus. Stylus is somewhat like touch. Most commonly, it is used to enter digital signatures. Yes, in a previous video, I have said you about digital signatures. These are used to sign up digital documents and certificates, and it is most important thing for a person's privacy in digital life. Yes, joysticks is used to play games. Yeah, video games, you must be knowing. Microphone, yes, microphone is used to input audio. And OCR is something like, optical character reader. It is used to convert images to text. I'm sorry for that. Images to text into machine readable text. Yeah, when you give an image, it has the capacity to convert that particular image into text. And scanner, you must be knowing, it is used for scanning things. Smart card reader is something, it's used to access microprocessor of a smart card. If you have you ever seen a smart card? It's your debit card, credit card. If you turn it back, you'll be able to see something micro SD into that. And for this particular part to be read, you'll be needing smart card readers. And barcode readers, you must be seen in shopping mall. Barcode, if you have purchased some product, backside of that there will be a barcode for each and every product you have purchased. and this can be read only by barcode reader, which is available in markets. And biometric sensors. Biometric sensors is something like, okay, if you're working in a particular office, you will be having biometric sensors. And in your school also, you must be noticed many times your teachers might be using this biometric sensors in order to give their attendance. And webcam, as I said you already, it is also an input device. Whenever you are doing video calls, it is really very useful for you. Apart from this, you have CPU, which is Central Processing Unit. It is responsible for processing the data and instruction. It will get the input from your devices. Whatever input you give from using these devices, the Central Processing Unit, that is CPU, will take that input and process the data and give the output on output devices, which are this. This CPU can be divided into three sections, that is control unit, arithmetical logical unit, that is ALU. In this particular part, all the kinds of arithmetic, maths, calculations are carried out. And primary memory unit. This primary memory unit, which is actually third part of CPU, can be divided again into two types, that is RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory, read-only memory is ROM. I guess if I draw a flowchart for this also, you must be able to understand it better, but there is no space as you see. I'll make up a next video on that. So let us quickly go on to output devices. So these are mostly used to display the result or print the result. See, the printers, which are actually output devices, they are used to provide output to the users. They can be classified into dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. So these also are useful in order to store the data. First one is VDU, which is also called as monitor. It is most common output device. It looks like a TV. It displays it can be plasma displayer, it can be touch sensitive or whatever. So speakers are used to provide output audio for the user. As I said you, printers are of three types: dot matrix, inkjet, dustjet, bubblejet printers, and laser printers as well. So these three printers work in their own way. This dot matrix printer, this printer prints character by striking an ink soaked ribbon against the paper. These can be used to generate carbon copies as well. So these all are at low cost printers, which inkjet printers are low cost printers. They are controlled by stream of ink for printing. So a controlled stream of ink is used for printing in this case of printers, whereas this dot matrix printers are printed which uses a soaked ribbon of ink. And laser printers, by the name, they use laser technology for printing. Once again, a quick review: ink soaked ribbons, controlled stream of ink, laser technology. So plotters are used to print graphics, and it is mainly used in computer aided designing. Okay, plotters are something which are used for printing graphics. There are many graphics like graphics tablet, which is an input device. To give the output of this same, plotters are used. Plotters are so common in our daily life. Okay, if you want to become an animator, you will definitely come across this one. The video is getting too long, so I'll make another video on this. And thank you so much for watching. Yeah, please do subscribe and meet you in my next video. Bye bye.